artists. So we're going to have a look at Notan Design. Now Notan Design, like you can see behind me, is a specific design form, and the concept is a Japanese concept to use the balance of positive and negative space. So Notan is a Japanese term which literally means light and dark harmony. Now if you look at these examples behind me, you can create very complex Notan design. So our positive space will be this soccer player, and then the area around our soccer player would be our negative space. So you will need cardboard, glue stick, scissors, paper, a pencil, and that's it. I'm going to use white paper for this example. A sturdy cardboard background. Now if you don't have any at home, this is a cereal box, and the size doesn't either matter because this one is much bigger than this one design is going to be. We're going to draw geometric or organic shapes. These are geometric shapes. So now I'm going to draw one free flow organic shape on this edge, and I'll draw another one on this edge. So you'll notice that I'm drawing these designs on the outskirts, on the edges of this paper. So keep your shapes simple, and then we're going to cut them out in one solid piece, and we're not going to throw them away because we're going to build them back like a puzzle. Now I've glued back the remainder of the rectangle on the base after I've added all the pieces. So I've placed the pieces back like a puzzle, like you'll notice here and here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to flip these parts backwards and then glue them on. Flip this part backwards and glue it on. So I've added my name and the date on my design, so I'm looking forward to seeing what you're coming up with.